So far, I'm gonna say that Taiwan is probably my favorite Asian country at the moment.
I think I've officially become part Taiwanese.
Okay, we have been 4 days in Taiwan and in Taipei, and today we are now leaving. Where are we going, mate?
I can't pronunciate it. Graham, put it in the corner.
I think it's called Kaohsiung. Kaohsiung? We said it yesterday.
We're
going to the south, and we're taking the HSR, the High Speed Rail.
Yes. So it's a fairly new train, only started operating in 2007. Now, you want to know speeds. I know you want to know speeds. Top speed? 300 k's an hour, which is about 186 miles an hour. So you can reach the south. We're going to reach the south in under 2 hours. Maybe this is an announcement that our train is coming. By the way, it's quite tight here, and one thing about Taiwan that you will instantly notice if you use public transport, there is drawings on the floor of where you're supposed to wait to get into like a metro, the train, and the Taiwanese people literally queue up. So we are in our exact car number and seat number line. So for getting tickets, we have a 3-day unlimited train pass, which is booked online. So we went to the counter to pick those up and to book onto this exact train. So we are sorted for seat, we're definitely getting on, and we're definitely gonna make it to the south. I can't wait to see what these trains look like on the inside. Also, if you've been watching our previous videos, I'll link the playlist up here for Taiwan. I think I've officially become part Taiwanese. Obviously, the country of bubble tea. I have a daily fix, but I now also have an actual bubble tea carrier. I couldn't be happier.
And it's Hello Kitty.
And it's Hello Kitty, which is like Taiwanese obsession. Love it.
Alright, we're on board. Very nice train. There's a nice bit of air conditioning, loads of room for your bags up here. Our luggage is stored away at the back there, so we don't have to worry about that. Yeah, loads of room here. The question is, how good are the seats?
Wow. That's comfortable, babe.
And look. Blind, nice.
It's like a flight.
And we're actually quite low down to the platform, so I feel like we're like little hobbits right now, really low. Now the best thing about this is that outside the station there is obviously bubble tea, but really, really affordable sushi. Look at that. Oh. Salmon, cockles, bit of seaweed. And then on the way to the train station this morning, we went past our little fruit lady, and we have got dragon fruit, we've got pineapple, we've got papaya. Oh, this is a healthy train binge. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Okay, this morning on the way to the train station, we also forgot to mention that we've got these things. They are basically peanut mochi.
Kind of like glutinous rice. Well, it's a Japanese sweet. It's a Japanese dessert.
Yeah, and it's really stretchy, and then they open it, and then they put the peanuts inside, and then they sprinkle with peanuts on the outside. So we got one each. Normally, back in our fat days, we would get like 5 each, but we're getting one each to try.
Oh my god! It smells like you just literally freshly pressed your peanut butter. Which go in. Delicious.
I like the peanut, but really gooey.
Not a fan?
Got a thick snot.
Ew.
Okay, we're almost there. We stopped about 3 to 4 times, but the train is super smooth. And from what we can tell, there are no like cafes or anything on board, only for business class.
By the way, we did have a lady come around with a little cart with like some coffee and nibblies, didn't she?
Yeah, but obviously no bubble tea, so
yeah,
no good.
Nah.
Anyway, we're close to the end station, and we cannot wait to explore some of Kaohsiung. So we've just, oh, a bit wobbly. We just arrived and they put a parade out for us.
A welcome parade.
What a welcome, hey? We were just getting our bubble tea. Second one. It is super, super hot down here. We dropped our bags off real quick because we've got a tour this afternoon with Like It Formosa.
Yes.
Just seen the tour guys, there's 2 of them. 1 each. Maybe we're gonna split up.
Ooh.
Anyway, let's get going.
So we're really lucky. What this actually is the temple we're going to visit later on our tour, but it's the birthday of one of the gods. So they remember the birthday of the gods and they're celebrating out now for his birthday. How amazing! We're so lucky! We're actually on the free walking tour. That's like completely free, but from Like It Formosa in Kaohsiung. Now we're gonna go on a voyage. We're in Harbour City and we're gonna see what we need. 3 things we're gonna find out what you would need on your voyage to leave for the open sea. So I'm quite excited to learn about this.
Okay, so I've just had my appendix ripped out of me at the slaughterhouse.
Yep.
And after that I went for a little rest. And now we're going to the temple.
Why?
To pray before we go on our long voyage.
Yes.
But basically Kaohsiung
Yes.
is big harbour, kind of like southern city. Pretty cool actually.
Love it.
Weather's better than Taipei at the moment.
Super warm.
And just as I said that, I smell stinky tofu, which really does stink.
Profound
it's
smell,
disgusting.
Isn't it? Unfortunately, the temple is under construction for 3 years and this is year 1. But we've been to another side of the temple where it's the temporary temple. Now, I even prayed with the moonstones for the very first time and I got a yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. You will one day maybe find out what I asked, but I won't share it now. So now we have done everything as a sailor to get ready to go on board a vessel. So we're just gonna head to the harbour right now.
Okay, so far I'm gonna say that Taiwan is probably my favourite Asian country at the moment.
Really? Also yours?
Yeah, I think so.
Babe, oh my god, it literally made my heart jump. Like, guys, for me, it's my favourite Asian country.
Yeah, I'm loving it. Good vibe.
Really?
I'm loving the weather. It's not too sunny now. It's gone a little bit less.
Yeah.
There's always a bit of a wind in Taiwan.
Yeah.
We've noticed in the last few days.
I mean, it makes sense. It's literally an island in the sea, so.
And it's tiny. It's about the size of Belgium, basically.
Yes. Okay. I think what the coolest thing is about Taiwan, it's got that influence of Japan
and Chinese.
So
yeah.
it's like those 2 influences
Mixture of both.
It's really special.
And technically, we haven't been to mainland China or Japan, so we're getting a good vibe of it.
Yeah.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always.
So can we just take a moment and appreciate this harbour? It's insane. It's literally huge. And also the skyline, like I'm blown away of what a big city this is. Just a fun fact, on our right here, this little western looking building is the British consulate. Graham's people were here demanding a building of their own. Basically what went down is Whenever the British won a war, they wanted something from the Qing dynasty. And the Qing dynasty gave them access to the port to import their opium, tea and sugar. So that's why they got the building there and they could do business right here. How fun is this?
Turns out shaved ice cream is kind of like a big thing here. Now we had it in Taipei and it was really cool. But here in Kaohsiung, they basically want to make it like the biggest you can get. So you can get, one of the biggest ones you can get is 30 times this bowl that we had. We had a bowl in Taipei and it was more than enough for 5 people. Yeah, so getting 30 times, guys, you'd have to come here with your whole family. I'd have to bring the whole YouTube community here just for that bowl of ice cream. This way. Okay, I'm trying to find a bit on the wall where we can sign, because apparently once you've eaten a bowl of ice, which we haven't technically eaten yet, you've got to sign your name on the wall. Gonna go lip spot here, I think. So guys, if you come here, make sure you take a picture with that and send it to us at Babe Where's My Passport on Instagram.
Okay, this is the first time I've ever seen it and I love it. What's this, all white? What do you call this actually? Carousel?
Yeah, carousel.
Carousel. Usually it's all decorated with gold and pink and all the colours. Now, how classy is this? All white. I feel like I've seen it in like a music video.
You can suggest from the name, we have warehouses number 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 16 big warehouses here. Some to store some products.
So we have finished our tour with Like It Formosa. Highly recommended. It's free and it's tip based, so you show your appreciation through your tips. But we ended the tour in warehouse 2. There were so many warehouses from back in the day where they used to store the sugar. And now look at this place. It's an amazing place full of restaurants, lots of seafood to eat. There's markets outside, there's bars around. I love the atmosphere. So we're gonna have a little exploration and wind down the night. Checking into the next video though, before I'm gonna go, because we're gonna explore more of Kaohsiung tomorrow on another brand new tour with Like It Formosa. We're gonna learn all about the culture, all about the religion, and all about the temples. Check in next time and we'll see you then. Bye bye. Mwah.